Hello and welcome to my video. Well, it's not really a complete video, it's just a teaser really. Do you have trouble painting skies? Do you sometimes find yourself throwing your paintbrush across the room? Do you often find yourself using naughty words? Well, hopefully I can get you past all this. I'm producing a painting at the moment, which is basically a sky tutorial. But it's teaching you to paint skies using my method. And my method, of course, can be used to paint different types of sky. It doesn't have to be a dramatic sky. That just happens to be what I like. So if you'd like me to help you through this, reduce the amount of times you throw your brush across the room, reduce the amount of naughty words that you use, then please hit the subscribe button. And my video will pop up probably in about 3 or 4 days. It takes a long time to upload a long video, and at the moment it's about 38 minutes long. I'm going to try and reduce it a little bit, but it's not easy. It's not easy. The cutting out part is easy enough. It's the techie bit where you have to try and reduce the file size before you start uploading, and this is not in English. It's gobbledygook, and maybe it's because of my age. Anyway, I hope you hit the subscribe button. As I rather sarcastically say at the end, it's the rectangular red button with the white lettering below this video, slightly to the right. Okay, thanks for listening, and see you soon. Bye for now.